you all know why you're here today?
Nope.
Well, you're all here because you're all suspects in a theft that held place on Wednesday 27th at 3:37 p.m. Items that were stolen: 2 watches, 3 necklaces, and 1 ring. Malaki, please step forward.
It's Malachi and you're wasting your time.
Please step forward. Where were you on Wednesday 3:37 p.m.?
I was window shopping.
Window shopping at a place you know you can't afford.
Yeah, but everyone does it. You go in, you go out. There's no harm against that, is there?
I'm deeply sorry for this misunderstanding, and I'm sure you had no involvement in this. So please, I still need to ask, where were you on Wednesday?
I was buying some things for myself.
What things, may I ask?
A necklace, a watch, and much other things.
I've heard everything I need to know, and all the evidence is pointing to you, Malaki. Please step forward. You are guilty of theft, and I sentence you to 3 years and 17,000 hours, 522.
I didn't do anything. This is corrupt. This is corrupt. What's wrong with you guys, man?
Case closed.
How is this even fair? Like, she didn't even think for a second that it could be Philip.
I knew it wasn't Malachi, but I didn't want to risk anything.
Can you turn it down, please?
Hello? Yeah. What even? I'm like on the bus right now. What? No, I'll be there like
Excuse. So ghetto.
Hi,
How are you?
I think I follow you on Instagram.
Yeah, it was Instagram. I follow you.
I always see your pictures. I think you're so pretty for a black girl.
I just don't understand.
You're beautiful for a black girl.
Then why should I have to have the black?
Why is that bad? You're so pretty. I'm getting you.
Yeah, but why am I pretty for a black girl?
Cause you're pretty for a black girl.
What does that mean? I need to know. What
It means you're pretty for a black girl.
You're not making sense. You
What?
understand?
What's
You're
wrong
not
with
making
you?
sense.
I'm just giving you a compliment.
Just like you offended her.
Well, just what is pretty for a black girl? I just don't understand what you mean.
Be calm. Be calm.
Black girls are always so freaking angry.
Well, you know the stereotype. Black girls are very aggressive.
Yeah, well, it's
That's
true.
what it is.
And black girls are super ghetto is what they say, so it must be true. I mean, let's take the clues. I'm sorry for being black. It's clearly me, not you. I mean, from the start, I should have been tough because I know times get real rough, but maybe being pretty for black is actually good enough. And let's be real, you've all heard it before, so I'm not shocked you don't want to hear no more, but stop pretending you do. Just stop lying, and I won't ask for understanding, and I'll stop crying. I'll stop with the protests. I know they're all whack. Next time on the bus, I'll be right at the back, like fuck Rosa and fuck the blacks. Whoa, now I'm angry and black. Aggressive said stats, but maybe angry and nothing, not angry and something, just fed up with running. Woo! What's this? What's this?
It's called Afrobeats.
Bro, what?
Dance that comes from Africa.
Africa. I'm not from Africa.
We know. We see that.
Okay, but that was not dancing.
That's just.
Then what you call it then? It looked terrible.
Terrible.
Just like you. Hold on. Yes. No. Yes.
You know that you were having a
You're trying to hurt our feelings, right?
You know what it is? Those yellow people don't
Yellow
love that. But what if we handled this with love instead? Rewind.
What was that?
Oh, it's Afrobeats.
Yes. It
Dance.
was awesome. Well, thank you. I like the music, the vibe, you know. Y'all dance?
Just went so well with the music.
Y'all dance a little bit?
A little bit.
Oh, we want to see y'all dance.
Let's try something together.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Who you are, or your culture, or your background, wherever you are, you can all unite with something you love. See how many different skin tones, cultures were up here just dancing now? Why can't it be like that every day? Why can't... Go, everybody.
Can I have all the everyone on the stage?
Flippy!
Good.